Namaskar and good afternoon to all our viewers here. It's a wonderful day and a great feeling to welcome another sparkling Damsonian with me in the DAMS studio. I am referring to Dr. Devi Sharanya S. here, who has done exceedingly well in the recent postgraduate medical entrance exams. Mentioning her ranks makes me feel very happy. She has secured a rank of 42 in AIMS May 2017 postgraduate medical entrance exam and a rank of 51 in JIPMER May 2017 postgraduate medical entrance exam. Wonderful performance, sparkling results. Congratulations to you, Dr. Devi Sharanya. Just share with us, how are you feeling?
Thank you, sir. Now I'm extremely happy that I secured a good rank in AIMS and JIPMER, and that was one of my dream. And the entire secret of my success is DAMS, and without DAMS I couldn't have achieved such a good rank in this exam. First of all, thank you, DAMS.
I should say you should thank yourself. You have done wonderfully in these exams. Getting a rank of 42 in AIMS and a rank of 51 in JIPMER is definitely a dream come true. I ask you another question here, Dr. Devi Sharanya. How did you plan your preparation?
Actually, while doing house urgency, I joined the TV Sky in Trivandrum Center at first, but I studied in Trivandrum Medical College, and the house urgency was really hectic there, so I couldn't attend most of the classes. So I mainly attended the classes during the crash session last year, that is 2016, and that session was really useful to me. But that time I couldn't make up to the rank in NEET, and I got a rank of 5,900 in the last NEET exam. So I wanted my dream subject pediatrics. So I joined DAMS again for the regular course in January. That I joined in Calicut DAMS, and I also joined for the AIMS test and discussion there. It was very nice at Calicut DAMS, and we got special face-to-face classes with Dr. Rahul Rajiv, and also special exams which improved me a lot. At first I was not confident. Later sir's effort made us all confident about the exam. We were mainly focusing on the AIMS exam.
And all your hard work has definitely paid it back to us also, because you have joined DAMS and you're a Damsonian. A wonderful rank of 42 in AIMS and a rank of 51 in JIPMER is beautifully achieved. As you have mentioned in earlier answer that you have done your MBBS from Trivandrum. Is that correct, if I'm not wrong?
Yes, you are right.
Well, I think that's going to be a message for all the students who think that only toppers find their place in Delhi or metropolitan cities. Trivandrum is a little far from Delhi, I would say in the other corner of south, but still we have a champion right with us today. Dr. Sharanya, you would agree that when you are preparing for a tough exam like AIMS or PGI or JIPMER, time is the biggest constraint. So how did you manage your time?
Actually, I had very little time. I joined the regular course by January only, and that time, if I hadn't joined for that AIMS test and discussion, I couldn't have planned a good timetable to finish off the portions by May. Though it was a bit difficult, but I could somehow finish the portions. Most of the portions required for the AIMS by May.
Okay, and then probably you took to revision or you consolidated further?
Actually, my plan was really concise. I was not a good student at college. I started getting the concepts only after joining the DAMS crash session.
Come on, don't say that. I mean, a rank of 42 in AIMS and a rank of 51 in JIPMER, nobody would ever agree to that you were not a good student in college.
I'm telling that seriously, because most of the classes were from the basics, so it was really easy for me to step on from the base. And revision, it is very important. First of all, during the crash, I made a base of all the subjects, and from January to May, I was building upon that. And actually, you have to revise as much as you can and make the topics really concise, so that you can revise it more and more. If you study vastly, it will be difficult for you to revise it further. So I mainly focused on DAMS notes. First of all, you have to believe in DAMS faculty and what they tell, and once you get the belief in them, we'll surely follow the notes. It's very resourceful.
That's very wonderful to know. That's very kind words from you. Let me just ask a little more about your method of preparation. Was it more selective or extensive?
I did a selective study because if we want to do a extensive study, then we should start from the second prof itself. But I couldn't do that. We didn't have any DAMS facility that time. It started while I was doing my internship. So I planned for a very concise study. I didn't even buy any guidebooks. I really focused on the notes and the class. You have to listen very well in what the teachers say in the class. Actually, there are so many points that many of the fellow students can't pick up. If we write the notes, then it will be very useful. I have seen many people scribbling on the photostat of the old students, but that method of study is really not good according to me.
I think these are very valuable inputs that you're sharing with us, and all our future aspirants are listening to this, that the right time to start for extensive study for postgraduate medical entrance exam is second year. We thank you for these valuable inputs, Dr. Devi Saranya. And let me ask you a straight question here, that how was DAMS useful in your preparation? However, you have mentioned that in the initial start address, but kindly be more elaborate that how was DAMS useful?
Without DAMS, actually, while I started thinking of PG preparation only after my final year results came. That time I didn't know where to start, what to study. Most of the people say just do the guidebooks, but I found it really difficult to start from out of nowhere. So one of my seniors told DAMS is very good and you'll get the base. So I joined the DAMS that time. And one of the class I attend, a few of the class, 2 or 3, I attended during my internship days itself, and that was really very good. But the main sessions were which I attended were during the crash course, and you have, and it was very useful. Without, if I hadn't attended the crash course, then I couldn't have done well in this January to May session. And also the test and discussion, the teachers used to give us show us an approach, how to approach an MCQ, and that we wouldn't get from any other place. That how that teacher approaches the MCQ. Like that way we should also see that question, and I found it really useful. And also we used to write the test and discussion series like real exam in OMR sheet. And we used to compare the ranks of our fellow beings, and we could improve. We had a great competition there, and some 5 or 6 of my friends, all of us were competing for to get the first rank in the in our center, and that helped us to improve a lot, and most of them also got a good rank in this exam. And above all, Rahul Rajiv sir, he was the main secret behind our success. He always motivated us. Most of the day he used to call us in spite of his own PG preparation, and that was really boosting from our part. And sometimes we will feel very low that we couldn't get through this exam. Then all the time he gave us the energy. That you have to try, you will surely get, like that way he will tell, and that was really helpful for me.
Well, that's very nice to know, and I think it's all your wisdom that has paid back, the wisdom of joining DAMS at the right time instead of going for a hit and trial method like all aspirants usually do after their final year completion. You chose DAMS and you were in safe hands, that we can see. Let me remind my viewers here, I'm talking to Dr. Devi Saranya S., rank 42 AIMS May 2017 postgraduate medical entrance exam, and rank 51 in JIPMER postgraduate medical entrance exam held in May 2017. Dr. Devi, we all know that DAMS has got an exclusive club on the Facebook for students to help them with their queries. What is your feedback on that?
DAMS club was really useful, but I have seen many people spending the whole day in the club, but I don't agree to that. Every day you have to spend a specific time, say half an hour at a night or something like that, and every day we should check the club, because the faculties are posting very important updates and frequently asked questions, so many picture questions, everything they are posting, that they are from the creams of the subjects, and that was really useful, and it was also very useful for us to clear the doubts from the faculties itself. It's very good.
Well, that's great to know. And I think you're aware that DAMS conducts a DVT session every year in September, and I hope you would have been a part of it.
Yes.
So what do you think is DVT session like for any aspirant?
DVT is the best thing that DAMS could ever do, because last November exam, most of the questions that came was from the DVT, and that time I hadn't even started preparing my revision. Even the first revision I hadn't completed by that time, and even just by attending the DVT session I could score a rank of 450 that time. And it was full of image based questions, like the AIMS exam itself, and many questions were repeat from the exam, and we were getting good concepts how to solve the image questions. And DVT, that notes, you have to revise it the 2 days before the exam, then it will be very nice. And this time also in AIMS there was so many image based questions, nearly 75 to 80, and most of them were that we can crack it from the DVT session we attend, and it's like a revision too.
Well, that's wonderful to know. As everybody here at DAMS knows that, and all our students know that, we have a large number of publications to our credit. With this I refer to the CRS and the Last Look series, and of course yes, the Harrison's Notebook. Can I have your quick review on our publications?
Actually, I didn't get enough time to read them, but I think it is good, and it would be nice if you can solve at least the MCQs in CRS. Because but I couldn't do them because of the scarcity of the time, and I plan to do it after the May sessions. And Harrison Notebook, it's extremely useful book, and you get the cream out of the Harrison. We can't sit and read the Harrison the day before the exam, but we can cover all the important points of the Harrison from that book. And for the JIPMER exam and all, it was really useful, Harrison Notebook. And in AIMS, most of the questions were emergency based, so the DVT session was more useful than the Harrison Notebook in case of AIMS. But JIPMER, it was really useful, and also I think in the NEET it will be useful.
Oh, definitely yes, definitely yes. And you sometime back you mentioned in the earlier questions that there was a very healthy competition among your friends, and you were keen to take the tests that are conducted at DAMS. So can I have a word on the evaluation system, on the subject-wise test or the grand test or the revision test that we give to the students?
It's good that we do the exam online test series regularly, but since I was attending both the regular session and the test and discussion session together, I didn't get enough time to attend that question, so I mainly focused on the test and discussion series exams more than the online test series. And but if you don't have time also, you can attend the grand test series and all. But it's better that you attend all the exams which the DAMS give, because they are from the previous year question papers, and also the guesses that the teachers make, and there will be many repeat questions from that. That is sure.
Well, that's wonderful to know, and let me once again remind my viewers here that I'm talking to Dr. Devi Sharanya S., rank 42 AIMS May 2017 postgraduate medical entrance exam, and rank 51 in JIPMER postgraduate medical entrance exam held in May 2017. Dr. Sharanya, believe me, I'm not at all believing this that you were not a good student in the medical college. But before I go further, let me ask you that how did you change yourself as a champion? What did you do? What is the secret mix of your success?
Actually, it's the DAMS teachers' sincere efforts that made me in the place which I am now. And I don't have any other thing to say.
Now I'll just elaborate my question a little. You said it's totally because of the DAMS faculty you are at the place right now. What changes did you bring in your preparation, under the able guidance of the DAMS faculty?
Earlier I used to read the textbooks without making notes, so during my UG days I found it really difficult to score in the exams, but after joining DAMS I got the trick that we should make notes and make everything concise while you study, and also the basics, they were very important for us to build up further. So my advice to the fellow Damsonians is that you should always make the notes yourself. That is the most important. And while you see pictures and figures in that the teachers show, you should make a rough diagram in your notebook itself. That is very useful more than clicking photos, because most of them will be posted in the cloud, and it's very useful that the teachers do like that.
Well, these are really valuable things that you're sharing with us. Thank you very much for that. And before we move further, can I have a few more names in DAMS faculty which have influenced you most?
My favorite teacher is Dr. Sumasiti sir. His radiology class is excellent, and during my undergraduate days I didn't know actually what radiology was. After attending his class only I understood that it's such a beautiful subject, and during my PG preparation days it was my favorite subject. Next is Deepthi ma'am. Deepthi ma'am, her classes were excellent, and she had a very vibrant, she was very vibrant, that from the morning she came at 9 o'clock, and when the class ends at 9 o'clock, her energy will be same. And seeing that, we'll also think we should also stay energetic like that till the end we study. I liked then Tushar sir's ortho class, it was excellent, and Sachin sir's psychiatric class, then all of the classes, physiology classes of Anubama ma'am, pathology classes, and everything was very good, and
Well, great. That's really wonderful to know. And may I, however, you have mentioned initially in this interview, but now I formally ask you that which branch are you going to opt?
My dream branch is pediatrics, and my counseling at AIIMS is over now, and I got pediatrics itself there.
Oh, wonderful to know that, and it's always a pleasure. It's always a good fortune that whatever branch you wish to opt and you get the same. And before we wind up this interview, any message to your juniors you would like to give?
I have some messages that first of all you should believe in what the teachers say. You can submit yourself fully to the DAMS and write everything what the teachers tell, and revise the notes as much as time you can, and I did 6 to 7 times of revision of the notes, and that is important, and you should have a very good grasp of your notes. That's really important before the exams. And some of the subjects which are very important is surgery, obs and gynae, and all of them we can have a if we study, if we revise it beforehand, then we can answer almost all the questions from the notes itself. And while if you're preparing for AIMS, then it is you have to look certain parts like in microbiology, parasitology, and the mycology. It is really important. It's okay that even if you skip the other portions, you have to study these portion integrated with the pictures very well to crack the AIMS. And in PSM, you have to study biostat. That is very important. And the other part questions will be very rare. And the emergency section, that is very important for the AIMS. If you concentrate like that, it will be much easier for you to get a good rank. And you have to test yourself by giving frequent examination. Then only we can understand in which subject you are weak. And once we can find our weakness, then we can step higher. That's very important. And and
Well, those are really inspiring words, and I would like to tell my viewers here that you are fortunate to see a live example of somebody who hails from Trivandrum and is going to join AIMS New Delhi. It was wonderful talking to you, Dr. Devi Saranya, and it was wonderful as ever to talk to Demsonians, in fact. Dr. Devi Saranya, thank you very much. We wish you all the best in life. She has secured a rank of 42 in AIMS May 2017 postgraduate medical entrance exam and a rank of 51 in JIPMER postgraduate medical entrance exam May 2017. We wish you all the best in life. Thank you.
thank you.